Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another video. It's your favorite girl Sarah in the building. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're just seeing this face for the very first time, please click on that subscribe button, turn on notification so you'll be notified each time we upload a video. So guys, into this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful mini twist. Right, okay guys, let's get right into the video. First and first is pat your hair. You can see my hair is freshly washed, so I just section my hair into 4 like that. I have my comb right here, so I'm just going to cut it like so. This is wash and detangled. Just going to take this clip real quick, pack this one off the way. And guys, I'm a mom of 4. If you're hearing any noise, my kids are always in the building when I'm making my videos. So this is the product we're going to be using. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Coil Enhancing Smoothie, plus this one. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut Hibiscus Coil, the Star milk. That's what we're going to be using. I'm going to be marrying these two together to achieve a super defined twist out. So the oil we're going to be using is this oil here. This is the Jamaican mango and lime oil. This 3 combo, I'm going to do it for me. Put a little bit of this in here, put a little bit of this in here, then add the oil to it. Like so. You see the 2 combo? Look at the oil, just a drop, but you don't need too much. Like that. We'll mix it together. Look at that, guys. Get a little like this, not too much. Okay. Get it like so. Just smooth it in. So guys, because I'm not staring at the camera, but there's a mirror right in front of me that I'm staring at. I'm pretty generous with products, especially with the tip of my hair. So like so. Then cut it out. Now you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Spread it out and get it twisted. Like so, gently. See, hope you're seeing what I'm doing. Like so. Just finger coil around. Just coil around your finger like so. Look at that. The clip, the one you're not working with, you clip it out. Okay. This is the one you're working with. You can brush it through or comb it through. I'm going to be using this my wide tooth comb. You can actually make it bigger, guys. You can make it bigger, but if you want to get a super defined twist out, so it's better you make it smaller. So if you make it smaller, the result is you're going to definitely tell there's difference between small and big. If you make it bigger, it's not as if you're not going to get a good result. You're going to get a good result, but the smaller the better. Like just average kind of. So twist it gently. Just basically what I'm doing, you take this, then you turn it around like that, as if you're kind of like finger coiling it like that. Get what I'm saying, right? like that. See, that's how to do your twist out. So this is basically what I'm going to be doing to her. So guys, you make sure you split it into 2 equal halves, because you cannot split from here and add to this one. You must make it equal before you start doing it. I'll just go like that. Hopefully you guys can see. Gently twist, 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 like that. You can actually rock this one all alone like that, especially during winter. Especially during winter, this is how I normally rock mine. And curl it around your finger like so. This is it so far. Look at that. So we'll finish one pattern, then we're gonna lose the other side and continue. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the hair. Look at that beauty, guys. Look at that. It's so beautiful and perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I can rock this hair for 1 month if I want to, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Look at it, guys. I love you all just the way you love me. Peace. I'm out.